Why do you say that you kissed the earth on which I walked? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired. If I could rest, if I could only rest. I am a SeaGull. No, I am an actress. He's here too. Oh well. Doesn't matter. No. He did not believe in a stage. He always laughed at my dreams. And little by little I left off believing in it too and lost heart. And then I was threatened by love and jealousy and the continual anxious over my little one. I got petty, trivial, acted stupidly. I didn't know what to do with my arms. I didn't know how to stand on the stage. I couldn't control my voice. You can't understand what it feels like when one knows one's acting disgracefully. I am a SeaGull! Do you remember? You shot a SeaGull. A man came by chance, saw it, and just to pass the time destroyed it. A subject for a short story. What was I saying? I was talking on the stage. Now I'm not like that. Now I'm a real actress. I act with joy, with enthusiasm. I am intoxicated when I am on the stage and feel that I am splendid. And since I've been here, I keep walking about and thinking and feeling that my soul is getting stronger every day. Now I know. I understand, Kostya. That in our work, in acting or writing, what's merits not a glory, not a fame, not what I dreamed of, but knowing how to be patient. To bear one's cross and have faith. I have faith. And it all doesn't hurt so much. And when I think of my vocation, I'm not afraid of life.